Meaning of green salad.
Green salad.
Green salad.
Green salad.
Green salad. Green salad typically refers to a dish made primarily of leafy greens, such as lettuce, arugula, or spinach, often combined with other vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. The salad may also include herbs, nuts, seeds, cheese, or protein sources like chicken or tofu, and is usually dressed with vinaigrette or other light dressings. Green salads are a popular choice for those who are seeking a healthy and low-calorie meal option. They can help to boost the intake of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while still satisfying hunger and providing a variety of flavors and textures.